Hello! Good evening, guys! Hello, Daddy! Hello, baby! So, hi guys! We're now going to Jayco! You like donuts? So, ayan guys, food trip lang kami tonight. It's Daddy's Street. Trip lang kami ni Daddy sa Jayco. So, pakita din namin sa inyo kung magkano ng mga prices sa Jayco and kung ano itsura ng Jayco dito sa Rice. See you guys! Bye-bye! Excited ang bata. So, pasok muna kami guys. Bye! Bye! So, hello guys. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Jayco. This is Jayco in Corais Road. So, ayan. Papasok na kami sa loob. Ayan na si Lex and Daddy. That's favorite, Oreology.
This one does.
Oh, yun na lang, yung Oreology. Yan, Mr. Green Tea. Caviar Strawberry.
This one. Brother.
1 dozen, brother.
Not this.
Yan, they have also this J Club. Antayin mo pa?
Ito ba yung ano?
Hindi, no, do you have pistachio?
This one does.
Tatlo nito, tatlo. 3. Ito na lang.
Price nila. So 1 dozen is 43 and 2 dozen for 80. Half dozen is 26. Are you happy with your donuts? Wow! Okay. So, ayan na po. Nakabili na kami ng donuts. And we're done. So, now for take-out lang sila. Wala pa rin silang dine-in until now. So, meron siya pero konti lang. So, normally take out lang siya. So, bye Jayco! Hello!
Yes, we're going to Jollibee.
No, actually, we're going to Black Pinoy. So, tapos na kami sa Jayco, guys. Nakabili na kami ng donut. Actually, it's Daddy's treat. Kasi stress daw siya tonight. So, iti-treat niya raw kami ni Lex. And after our Jayco, we're gonna go to Black Pinoy. Nag-reopen na din yung Black Pinoy. So, let's see and check kung anong mga bago nilang menu. And of course, ang pinaka-favorite ko ang puwet-puwet. See you guys later. Bye-bye! So guys, we're now here in Black Pinoy, our second stop over.
Everything changes.
And hello! What did you order in Black Pinoy?